Greetings, cherished viewers. Before we delve into the heart of today's topic, do consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to ensure you never miss our latest videos. If you find this content helpful or insightful, do show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, sharing it with your circles, and engaging with us in the comments section below. Your interaction truly makes a difference. Now, onto today's topic. We live in a world where our daily meals are predominantly centered around meat. This meat-driven culture can pose a significant challenge, particularly for those who are finicky eaters aiming to reduce weight. However, fear not, as there are indeed ways to navigate this challenge and come out victorious. The first key is understanding that diversity is the spice of life. Instead of focusing on what you can't have, shift your perspective to what you can incorporate into your diet. There's a vast array of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes out there waiting to be discovered and appreciated. Remember, a colorful plate is often a healthy plate. Secondly, don't forget the power of portion control. No matter what you eat, keeping your portions in check is a crucial step towards weight reduction. It's not just about eating less, but rather about eating right. Thirdly, keep in mind that it's perfectly okay to indulge in your favorite foods occasionally. Depriving yourself completely often leads to cravings and ultimately overeating. So treat yourself from time to time, but do so mindfully. Lastly, regular physical activity complements a good diet. It's not just about burning calories, but also about improving overall health and well-being. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your daily routine. In summary, being a finicky eater in a meat-driven culture doesn't have to be a barrier to weight reduction. By diversifying your diet, controlling your portions, allowing yourself occasional treats, and staying physically active, you can effectively manage your weight and lead a healthier life. Remember, the journey to weight reduction is a marathon, not a sprint. It involves making sustainable changes to your lifestyle that you can maintain in the long run. So take one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight reduction goals. Thank you for your time today. Do subscribe, like, and share if you found this video beneficial, and don't forget to click the bell icon for more insightful content. We'd love to hear your thoughts, experiences, and suggestions in the comments section below. Until next time, keep moving forward on your journey to better health.